Okie dokie.
Look at the T applet, and that's kind of random that it has a little fun fact. Did you see that?
Guess what?
Gosset worked for an Irish brewery when he invented the student's tea distribution. That's just a fun fact on your tea distribution applet. I think it's kind of... Anyway.
Are we ready for question 3?
Ready.
Okay. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation sigma was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed?
We don't know it.
Unknown.
A.
Yep, I agree.
That's what I got. You know, when I started this on Monday, because I opened the wrong one.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Every time I got like a notification this week that was like, you know, like up on the bubble, like where the like chat and the bell, and it's got like the orange dot. And it's like, I can't check it until I've completed lesson 11 group meeting quiz. And I'm like, okay. Anyways.
For the next 2 questions, the null is equals 8, and the alternative hypothesis is it's greater than 8. Assume the population standard deviation is not known. Sample size is 9, and computes x bar of 11, and a sample statistic of 6.
Is sigma known? Isn't that kind of obvious?
It's unknown.
Saying
Or
that
it's
in the
not known.
problem? Why would it even ask that question?
I don't know. That's yes, right?
Yeah, I don't think so.
So,
Okay.
okay. What is the value of t?
I do not know.
So that formula is t equals 11 minus 8. Is it 8? Yeah, it's 8. Divided by 6 over the square root of 9, right?
That sounds right.
Let me go get my calculator.
$1.5.
You guys get the answer already?
I got 1.5.
All right. $1.5 to 1 decimal point, so it looks like we got it right.
Wait, so I just want to make sure that I have the formula because
It's
I keep coming up with 2.45, so I know I'm doing something wrong.
so you've got the sample statistic x bar 11 minus 8,
Which is the mean.
because the population mean is the mean. So 11 minus 8, so that's 3. And then on the bottom, the divisor is 6 divided by the square root of 9.
so because
So that's 2. Yeah, from the reading, The formula for the t distribution is x bar minus the population mean parameter divided by s divided by the square root of the sample size.
So 1.5.
Yeah. 3 divided by 2. 3 halves.
Okay, just
That's according to my formula.
That's what I got as well.
All right. Is this going to let me copy and paste these numbers? Nope. So for the next,
Oh.
so that wants us to pull the. So we have to find that.
What is XR?
Or we can just plug these.
sample mean.
It says copy and paste. It says copy and paste these numbers, but like you can't do that anymore.
No, I can't.
We have
You
to
need-
download the file.
What?
But the thing is,
Like
it's
most-
not all of them. It's just some of them. So this is one where we need the quantitative inference thing.
I couldn't
So
figure out how
if you open the file and you just pull the first first 20, you're gonna get there.
The first, it's just the first 20.
Yeah. I think they're the same.
20 numbers?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to explain how to work this when I pull it up really quick because I couldn't figure it out.
Are you 100% sure it's the first 20?
Yeah. Look, 98, 99, 6, 98, 6, 97, 8, 97, 6, 98, 7, 98, 4, 98, 9, 98. Yeah.
So the first 20?
So the X bar will be 98.220. Am I correct?
Let's see here.
Good question.
I'm still putting numbers in, so.
So we want a null hypothesis of 98.6.
So you just put things
They
in.
want, you know, the one sample t-test page. Do they give us a level of confidence? I don't see that they do.
Hmm.
And they want the type of test to be less than.
Wait, so what does S stand for? S.
Huh?
S?
Hmm.
I haven't figured out what S stands for.
That's from a previous lesson. S, isn't that the sample statistic?
Yeah, that sounds right. No, because that's N.
No, that's the sample size.
Yeah, the sample.
Oh, S is it's a sample standard deviation.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so explain a little bit with this Excel. Are these
So
98,
Oh yeah.
97
So
variables?
this t distribution thing was figured out to try to find out a standard deviation when the population standard deviation was unknown, which is like most of the time. So they're using the sample standard deviation to try to figure this stuff out. So the standard deviation in the one sample t-test, that is S, I believe.
Yeah. So
So
S
So-
is the standard deviation of the sample, as you
Yeah.
said.
so numbers like question 6, it's asking what is
What is the mean of the sample?
yeah, so that is 98.220 on my thing.
Mine
Can
too.
Help me out with this Excel thing. Is the variables
Yeah.
the 98, 99, 97? Is that what where do you put these
So you
numbers?
got 98, 99.6.
Yeah, does that go in
It
the
is-
variable spot?
Yeah, so that goes in your
5, 10,
in 20.
15, 20.
It goes 5 on my thing. It's 5 through 24.
Okay. And then you put in, we only know the
Then and under
null hypothesis.
on null hypothesis, go 98.6.
We don't know anything else other than less than, right?
Yeah, so type of test is less than null hypothesis 98.6. Sometimes they'll give us a confidence level, and we can adjust that one too,
But they don't.
but they don't.
What about significant?
So I
Anything
so
like that?
so I think we leave it at 95.95, a 95% confident, because that's like the most commonly used one, I guess.
And level of significance just isn't there.
You don't type it. You're just gonna use the level of significance to reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
That'd be the p-value there. Yeah. Oh yeah, the level of significance. Yeah, that comes in later. So question 6
I
goes.
got
You,
98.320.
yeah, that's the mean. So that's 98.220.
That's me. Then question 7.
Wait,
was-
are we all ready for that?
I'm ready. Ready to ever be.
Adriana, are you with us?
Yeah, I said I was ready.
Okay.
I don't know. Did it cut out?
So question 7 would be the standard deviation. I got 0.922.
Me too.
And you got that, oh, right there where it says standard deviation.
Yeah.
Sweet, what was it?
it should be 0.922.
I didn't get a chance to put all the numbers in, so I'm still working,
Oh,
but that's okay.
do you want some? We can give you some time to copy and paste those in if you want.
I'm almost done.
And if you're watching this video and you want her to type them in, then click this button right below.
Hey, look, Raphael's name says he's Raphael again.
He's not Chris.
Sure.
Who are you and what have you done with Chris?
It's his twin. Oh my gosh, you have a twin. We had no idea.
Yeah. How do you think I do my homework? Just kidding.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I think I did this wrong.
Trying to work in.
So I put in all the numbers, but I only need to put in 20.
Yeah. 20.
Yeah.
How many numbers are there? Let's see.
You can.
I
You
counted
can-
20.
So 98 should be under 5, and then 98.2 should be at 24,
Oh,
and then
understood.
18 more.
Okay, whatever. Because I got T negative 1.879.
I know.
What?
So look,
So I've got. So you might have a value in there that's off.
Yeah, I do. I don't know
you
where.
go to 98.2.2. Look, these are the last numbers.
So the in order. Did you put them in by hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's why.
Why? What's wrong?
Are you sure you put them all?
Something got.
I'm not sure I put them all. I don't know. I couldn't copy and paste, so I don't know if they're all right.
So the null hypothesis is that you put them all and you put them correctly.
Okay.
And then all of the alternatives are you did not.
So it's either wrong or it's right.
So the first one's 98. Second one's 99.6. 97.8. 97.6.
98.4.
No, 98.7.
98.7.
I missed that one right there. Of course, right at the beginning.
So I reject the null hypothesis.
98.7 and then 98.4.
0.4.
And then
98.9.
And then 97.
97.1.
99.2.
Yep.
97.4. 99.1. 96.9. 98.8. 99.9. 96.8. 97. And then
98.7.
98.7, 97.6, 98.7, and 98.2.
Oh, Amber, you did it wrong.
What?
You did it wrong.
Don't listen to him. You're fine.
Because look what the information says. It says copy and paste.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I would have if I could have.
All right. So the mean should be 98.220.
Okay. I got that.
Okay. Null hypothesis 90.6. The standard deviation should be 0.922.
Yes, I got it.
And then if you look, what'd you get for T?
Negative 1.843.
Me too.
Oh, good.
All right. So number 9, the p-value should be 0.040.
Thanks for waiting up for me.
It'll pump up our video length.
So
For the record, you cheated on that question because you had to.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just saying.
Because I didn't copy and paste.
Okay, now here's your question. You said, when do we use the level of significance? So
Yeah.
alpha is 0.05 and our p-value is 0.04. So we reject the null hypothesis.
So number 10 is reject.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh man, now we got to go back. Now we got to go to baby boom.
Type in more numbers. You want to copy and paste them for me, Raphael?
What?
You want to copy and paste these numbers for me?
What numbers?
For the next problem.
Sorry, I'm looking for the baby boomer. Oh, there it is. It should be okay. Found them. Okay, do you have the file? No.
What?
I downloaded it. Okay, so
He's typing pretty quickly. I just did it.
And the null hypothesis is 40. Correct? And
Yeah.
not
Yes.
equal to. That's all we put in, right?
Yeah, and then type of test is just not equal to.
So So 0.006 would be the t, right?
So it wants p-value first, right?
Wait, what?
Yep.
What's p-value? Oh, yeah. So you got, their n will be 21, right?
Yeah,
What?
that's what.
30 minutes.
Yeah, I think so.
And p-value is 0.995.
0.995.
270372.
I'm going slowly here.
P-value is 0.995.
5.
No, I got that, but Amber said something afterwards that threw me off.
I just continued the number is all.
Oh. I was like,
She
that's
was
not what
looking
I
at all
got.
the.
Until when?
She was looking. So on this one, with the significance level of 0.01, we would
Fail to reject.
fail to reject.
Might actually be able to do this.
Yeah, this software makes it really easy.
Yeah. Good thing I'm never doing stats. We'll only need the software during the test. Or this class, I mean.
So I got
Decided to try another alternative hypothesis this time. We got to make it less than, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the peak value increase or decrease? It decreased.
oh, mine increased.
What are you talking
So it should have gone.
Never
It should have
mind.
gone to 0.502.
Yeah.
Did you push later then?
Because I thought we had in the last one 0.09. That's why.
Oh. Question 14. What decision do you make?
What decision do you make?
Fail to reject.
Uh,
Because it's still above 0.01. Right? It was
did it change this? Did it change the level of significance? No.
It didn't.
Same one.
So we still fail.
Still fail. Fail. Could put it to that sail
Fail.
song. Sail. But fail.
What?
Nothing. Go look up on YouTube the Cat and the Sail song. Have you seen the cat with the sail song?
No.
S-I-L.
I just watch cat videos.
Watch that one. It's funny.
Okay, now it wants true mean wait time between births at a hospital. Is that what we were doing already? No, we were doing body temperatures. Oh, is this baby boom? Okay, yeah, got it.
What is the lower limit of
So
this
now it wants.
interval?
So the confidence levels doesn't change, right?
But
The lower limit is 23.499, right?
I have no idea. How'd you get that?
I have a question.
So if you look at the one sample test bar on the bottom of those 4 sections, it
Confidence.
says confidence interval.
I
So the lower one's on the left and the upper one's on the right. What's your question, Raphael?
So information above says use the following values which were pulled from the data file for the next 6 questions. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Work.
Okay.
That was
Can we
just making sense. 23.499.
So and 56.597.
I got a little ahead of myself. Sorry. We got 100.
Yay.
Now I'm gonna go do the homework before I forget everything.
I have one that got missed.
How?
Which one?
Did you type it in wrong? I did that like 8 times in my accounting class today. So it happens.
So I missed question. Oh, I know what I did.
You didn't put the negative?
No, you know that stupid one where it says, is the standard deviation known? I put yes. I missed
Somehow
the
you
easiest
know.
one again. So now I gotta type all these in again.
That's so funny.
What accounting class are you taking?
That sucks.
What accounting class is that?
I am taking 201.
I did that last semester.
Yeah? How'd you do?
So where you
Wow.
have to get the proctored tests.
Huh?
What?
Where you have
What
to
do
get
you say, Amber?
proctored tests, right?
Oh yeah, proctor test. Yep, that and economics.
Yep. Are you in economics this semester too?
Nope, I finished that last semester. Luckily, no more.
Yeah, I did macro last semester.
Oh wow. I look up to you.
I have accounting. I have accounting.
I did micro.
Oh, you did micro.
Huh?
Go ahead.
No, I did micro in winter and then macro in spring.
Gotcha. Me too.
And yeah.
But right now,
And then I'm doing accounting 202 now.
counting 202.
Uh-huh.
Fun.
I hate it. I would rather be doing accounting 201 again than taking accounting 202.
Do you have to
It's
do
Is
miserable.
that managerial?
for?
Yeah, it's managerial, Jeremy. And yeah, it's
Yes.
required for my degree.
Dang it. What are you? What
Are you in
I
business?
have an account. So why did they want us to download that T distribution outlet? We didn't need it.
Oh, I was just thinking about that.
It said if needed, here's the link. We didn't need it.
Are you
Weird.
business management, Adriana?
Yeah.
Me too.